How to recharge your coins balance on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to recharge your coins balance on TikTok. Now go to your TikTok, go to your profile and click on those three buttons up there. Now click on setting and privacy. Now click on balance. Wait a minute. And now click on recharge. Now you should buy those coins, and everyone have a price. For example, the first one. But now you have to add credit or your debit card, and now you should tap the card number. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video please don't forget to subscribe and like.